Hello, this is Mrs. Zhang, the visa in Korea. How are you today? The raining day today, and in the COVID-19 situation is getting better, but still, the COVID-19 and the positive in numbers are the more than the 1,000. So when you go out somewhere, please and wear your masks on. It'll be better for everyone. Okay, today's lecture is about the F299 and the F299 visa holders' spouse and how to change their F1 visa to F299, right? So the last time, the travel and the foreign residents and the living in Korea and the request me of an English version of the lecture so that I make it for everybody. Okay, let us start today's lecture. But as you know, if you have E1, 2, and E7 visa or D5 and D6 and D7 and D8 and D9 and the visa holders, if meet a certain requirement, you can change it to the F2 the 99, the long term, the residency visa, right? So if you want to change the F2 99 and there is a required for, but actually required for the uh, income, I'm sorry, income and the period, period, and the savings and Korean language. Okay, so income, they usually need the GNI one time for the previous year. 2020, and the GNI was 37.5 million won, and the period need 5 years. But if you have U1 and you're still having E7, so you can add this whole the period. So if your the period stay as over in the 5 years, you meet this period requirement and the saving a 30 million won, including your saving or your the house down payment. It doesn't matter. You can add this amount of money. And previously in the Korean language and immigration and accepted and topic two, but from the January 2nd and 2020, it has changed all. So you must complete KIP and stage 4 the completion. Okay, in this case, or previous rule, if you have up to 99, right? But this is a new rule. I said a new rule, right? The January 2nd, 2020. But before that or after that, if you have up to 99 and your spouse may get F1 visa is dependent and a visa for the F2 99 visa holders, but actually F1 it cannot work for any kind of area except for the extra working permit. But extra working permit, you need to meet E1 to E7 visa requirement. So very difficult in this case. So how to change the F299 visa holder's spouse to F299? I will explain the next page. Okay, so if your spouse and hold F299 visa, right? Good. And you are right now holding F1 visa right now. So if your spouse already got the F299, So how to change your F1 to F299? But most important thing is your F299 visa holders the requirement for example, like a time period, right? Period and income and the other requirement. If your husband, right? For example, your husband hold F299. If and your husband and meet like income, for example, GNI one time, and you can apply for the F299 if you have KIP stage 4. This is the only one you have to prepare for that. Okay, so if you have F1 visa, right, and then you can use your current your husband the requirement except for the Korean language proficiency. So if your husband is holding F299 visa, but right after that you can apply for the F299 if you have obtained KIP stage 4 completion. So what is the benefit for that? Okay, the first one, your husband and you and the F299 and you got F1 and change F299. So if you do, what is the benefit for them? The first one, when they apply for the F51 permanent residency and you and your wife can combine your income to meet GNI double income. Got it? The second one, you can do the work like a professional job and it's very important, the simple job like a restaurant, the serving like this. So how to do? So your husband can work at some of the field like almost without the restrictions for the working. Also, if you change and your visa from F1 to F299, you can the work the professional field, for example, E1 to E7, and a simple job, or E6 for sometimes like entertainment, right? And the actress at a movie or a TV show or anything you can do, and a simple job and a restaurant and work, you can do anything, right? So this is a very important thing, right? But the important thing is there is some of the restricted in the works, such as a karaoke place, you cannot work there, but except for that, something like this, and mostly in the basic and jobs you can do and you can work there. Okay, so make the summary for you. Okay, so it doesn't matter about which kind of visa do you have, and if your husband have an F299, and after that your visa will be changed to F1. In this case, right? In this case, if you complete KIP stage 4, right? If you complete KIP stage 4, you have a chance to change F299, the same visa as your husband. What is the benefit? When you apply for the permanent residency F51, and you and your husband can add and combine your income to meet GNI double and work. You can do the professional job and simple job, it doesn't matter, right? So it means almost all kinds of a job you can do and you can work there. So it means you and your husband can work together. Okay, this is a visa in Korea and the registered Ministry of Justice as a immigration specialist. So if you have any questions, you can contact me, and within 10 minutes is free. But if you need more detailed information, and you can reserve, and we can do consultation for more detail, right? And you may call this our company the phone number, and we can reserve it. But there is my email address, but it's very difficult to reply every time. There are lots of our customers, so if possible, please contact through through our yes, our the cell, our company and the phone number is very, very important to you. Okay? Okay, see you next time with a more informative and information. But this is Mr. Zhang, visiting Korea. See you next time. Bye bye.